Morning guys, and happy Thursday. So I just got up. Now I'm going to make a breakfast for my family. It was just a quick one. So earlier I already have fry my sausage. I have a sausage here which I have to make a sandwich. So I have a sausage. This is pork sausage. This is like American brand. So you can use any sausages. So and I have a slice of bread and a butter and mayonnaise. So now and we'll be needing also a cheddar cheese or any cheese what you have, which is easy to melt. Okay, so let's start making our quick sandwich, quick breakfast. So I have here a pan. I already heated it up. So now we have to put our butter. So it's just like a grilled sandwich, guys. It's a grilled sandwich I'll be making. So I normally use butter. So now I have to put my bread inside the pan. And first I just have to grill the bottom side, because that's where I have put my sausages. So first we have to grill on the bottom side. And now let's check. So it is already grilled. See? So this is okay. Now we have to put the other one. So we have to put the flame down. Now we'll make our filling. Now first we have to put the mayonnaise. So I put the mayo where we have grilled the bottom first. So you have to put the mayo on this side. And after this, you can put your sausage like this. And then a cheese. Put the cheese on the top. And then close it. Simple. So this is a very quick breakfast. So again, the other one is done. We have to remove from the pan. See? So now we have to grill this. Now we have to grill this in both sides. Now again, we have to put butter. This kind of breakfast, normally we have like this, just like just once in a while, maybe twice a month or once a month. Because of course, eating sausages every day, as we all know, is not actually good for your health. So it is one of the food that can cause cancer. I mean, as far as my knowledge. So you shouldn't get this every time, Once in a while is okay, in moderation. So right now, I can have one sandwich like this. My husband also can have one, and my daughter can also have one. So one each. So this is how I make my grilled sandwich. Sometimes also you can also put egg and sausage together, and then cheese on the top. But this is my only sausage right now. So now, put this over. It's hot. So this is ready. So our grilled sandwich is ready. So now we have to do the other one. Now we have to do this other one. So again, we have to put butter. Yesterday we had egg, so that's why today I don't want to put egg on the sandwich. So that's why I'm only using sausage instead of egg. Because sometimes I'm only making egg sandwich, but since eating egg also is not also good for your health. So actually eating too much is not actually good. So you can have everything in moderation only, because too much is not good. So now we have to do this other one. Now the other side. Now, so it's all okay. So now our grilled sandwich is ready. It is easy and quick to make. It is all yummers. Now we're done making our sandwich, but without having a drink along with our sandwich, our breakfast, we don't feel we're having a breakfast. So I'm gonna make a tea, because yesterday I had the coffee. So today we're gonna make a lemongrass tea. So I'll show you how I make my lemongrass tea. This is my tea leaves. Okay, we'll be needing tea leaves, milk, and ginger, and lemongrass, and a cardamom. Okay, so now we have to make our water boiled. So as you can see, our water is boiling. Now it's time to put our lemongrass. I have here cardamom and a ginger. I scrape off my ginger so we can remove actually the juice from the gingers. Then after this, just let it boil for like 1 minute. So now we can put our tea leaves. So I'm putting 1.5 teaspoon of tea leaves. This kind of measurement I have. So 1.5 of this. And then we have to put sugar. Sugar, it is for individual preferences, per to your taste. If you want sugar, sweet. So I'm putting like 1.5 for me. I don't want so sweet on my tea. So now we have to leave them again for boiling for another few seconds. We don't have to boil our tea leaves longer. Now again, we have to add our, I'm putting 1 cup of water. So for the milk, I'm using fresh milk. So I'm gonna put also 1/2 cup of fresh milk. If you don't have fresh milk, you can also use evaporated milk. But I think evaporated milk, it was just too creamy. I think you have to put a little less compared to the fresh milk. So now let's get the milk boiled. Like it's about 1 minute and or until the milk gets boiled. So now the milk is boiling, so we have to switch off our flame and pour it the tea in the cup.